So, melting my butt off, but I am inside right now, public knitoxication. And moving towards the door, you'll be able to see my booth behind me. Ta-da! So, tons of shawl kits are still available, and I have the gorgeous wall over this way. Friends that I met at Needles
Not a
Up
friend.
and Back.
I'm definitely not a friend. There's no way. No, I'm an admirer. There's something different. Friends have to fucking do something, and I don't do anything. So no, you can't have anything from me. What do you want? No, you can't have it.
Hello. Yes, you'll be able to check yourself out later on the podcast. As I'm like melting, I'm so red right now.
Yes, me too. It's warm.
Are you enjoying yourself?
I love it. It's great.
Favorite thing that you've seen so far?
Well, of course, Bad Wolf Girl.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I hope you got everything you need. Yes, enjoy. There's
Have
wine
some wine.
slushies, which
Yes.
is very fun.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
This is me laying on my back on the ground, and this is my new door. This is where I live now, in the loft, with this wall of yarn. Yay.